Good morning. In our previous discussion, we have discussed about fuels. So, usually fossil fuels. The fossil fuels, how to determine the calorific value of fossil fuels, the knocking tendency of the fossil fuels, and also how to prevent the knocking of fossil fuels, isn't it? And how to enhance the octane rating of fossil fuels and alternative sources for fossil fuels. In order to increase the efficiency of the fossil fuels, you have come across power alcohol. So now, the fossil fuels, we know that they are extinct. They have one certain period. The fossil fuels, it might be petrol, it might be diesel, it might be kerosene or coal. So any fossil fuel, it does have certain period. So the fossil fuels will get extinct. So now the entire world is looking towards the alternate source of energy. We are looking towards the alternate source of energies. So then the first thing comes as plant source, plant, extract, right? So we are going to derive the oils from plant. One such thing as biodiesel. So diesel or the oil which extract from plant can be used as a fuel. So what is this biodiesel? So it's a main source of energy obtained, renewable source of energy obtained from plant origin. So it is produced from vegetable oil. So what is the vegetable oil? It can be soybean oil, it can be corn oil, it can be sunflower oil, cottonseed oil, rice bran. Now what is rice bran? Right, after taking the paddy, whatever that rice bran, that is rice bran, or jatropha seed oil. What is jatropha? Jatropha or hongomia. Right, so from these we can extract the oils. So all these oils contain triglycerides. So these are triglycerides. So biodiesel is derived from trans-esterification of these oils in presence of a methanol or alcohol and a base. So this biodiesel is an alternative fuel for automobiles which are running in using diesel. So these oils contains triglycerides or fatty acids. So biodiesel is obtained, as I told, from trans-esterification of these fatty acids in presence of an alcohol and a base and in presence of a catalyst at 60 degrees Celsius. So this is called as alcoholysis of a triglyceride. So the resulting mixture or a product is known as biodiesel. Okay, so let us see what is the reaction which occurs in the biodiesel. So the triglyceride is represented as CH2COOR1, CH2COOR2, CH2COOR3, where R1, R2, R3 are long chain fatty acids. So this triglyceride, which is fat or oil, which will be taken and mixed with methanol. Okay, that is which will be mixed with methanol, and in presence of catalyst and a base, it will be heated to around 60 degrees Celsius. When it's heated to around 60 degrees Celsius, it gives fatty acid methyl ester, that is CH3COOR1, CH3COOR2 and CH3COOR3. Whereas R1, R2, R3 are long chain fatty acids, and along with that we are going to get glycerol as a byproduct. Okay, and this can be separated by chromatographical technique. So if you are using methanol, we get fatty acid methyl ester. If you are using ethanol, we get fatty acid ethyl ester. So this biodiesel, whatever you have obtained here, it is separated from glycerol. Biodiesel can be used in vehicles. Glycerol can be used for various medical purpose. Now, the advantages and disadvantages of biodiesel. So the biodiesel which is obtained is very pure. B100 biodiesel which you obtain in the above process is called as B100, which is very pure, and this B100 is directly cannot be used in the normal diesel engines. So biodiesel has a shorter ignition delay compared to standard diesel. So since the shorter ignition delay, the ignition delay is less, therefore knocking tendency of the fuel is also very less. So biodiesel has no sulfur content, and so it does not contribute to acid rain also. Okay, and biodiesel has good lubricating properties, better than standard diesel. So it has 100%, 40 to 50% reduction in carbon dioxide and 60% reduction in particulate matter and carbon monoxide also. So these are the advantages of biodiesel. So what are the disadvantages? So biodiesel is significantly more expensive compared to standard diesel. So biodiesel can release nitrogen oxide, which can lead to formation of smog. So this is a very dangerous thing. So biodiesel may release carbon and oxides of nitrogen. So this may cause ozone hole also. So pure biodiesel has significant problems with low temperature. So it will not ignite with the low temperature. It requires higher temperature. So food storage can be also be occurred because of biodiesel. These are the advantages and disadvantages of biodiesel. So let us see the applications of biodiesel. So it can be used. The very good advantage of the application of biodiesel is it can be used in normal engine without much modification in engine hardware. So it can be directly used in the normal engine without much modification in the engine hardware. That is the major advantage in the biodiesel. Okay, so it's as a neat fuel, that is B100, biodiesel qualifies an alternate fuel under impact for fleet alternatively vehicles. It has a medium level blend. So B20 to B50. B20 means so you have 80% of normal diesel and 20% of biodiesel. B50 means 50% of normal diesel and 50% of other diesel. So addition of 20% diesel is called as B20. So this is used. So this will B20 only will reduce maximum number of emission and to pollutant and greater extent, and is used in almost all diesel vehicles. Okay, as a low blend 1 to 5%, small amounts of biodiesel can restore lubricity to lower sulfur levels and bioheat. Biodiesel can be used as a supplement for home heating oil. So 5% biodiesel blend is most commonly supported by OEM manufacturers, and most commonly used blends of biodiesel is a B20 to B50 used by private and public fleets throughout the world. So the green eco-friendly vehicles are used by Bangalore buses, which are green. It uses B20 biodiesel. So these are the applications of biodiesel. Okay, so next we'll see what are the other alternative fuels in our next discussion. Thank you.